नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है आयुष। स्वागत करता हूं मैं आपके अपने YouTube चैनल मिस्टर बजाज में। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे टॉप 5 स्किल्स जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड में रहेगी आफ्टर दिस लॉकडाउन गेट्स ओवर। इन पाँचों स्किल्स में ऐसा नहीं कि आपको पाँचों में पाँचों स्किल्स करनी है। आप इनमें से कोई भी स्किल अगर अच्छे तरीके से कर सकते हैं तो यू कैन गिव अ बूस्ट टू योर करियर। आफ्टर थिंग्स गेट्स नॉर्मल, ये लॉकडाउन जितने भी जो भी कोरोना वायरस सब ओवर हो जाएगा तो जो भी जितनी भी चीज़ें सब चेंज हो जाएगी। जिस तरीके से अभी सभी लोग वर्क फ्रॉम होम के लिए कन्विंस कर रहे हैं लोगों को कि यू शुड वर्क फ्रॉम होम, तो अगर ऐसी जो 5 स्किल्स इनमें से अगर कोई आप एक दो स्किल्स अच्छे से सीख लेते हैं तो दैट विल ब्रिंग अ मोर वैल्यू टू योर रेज्यूमे एंड मोर वैल्यू टू योर करियर एज वेल। You still have time to learn these skills as there are still many days for this all things to get over and the lockdown period is still much more, so you can start right now, so you can learn and you can adapt the change. The world is changing right now, so you need to adapt according to the world, according to the change. Unless you do so, you will be left behind in this world. So I have divided these 5 skills into 4 categories. Number 1, you can learn these skills from your comfort of your home. So if you want to learn these skills, you don't need to go to somewhere just to learn these skills. Just by opening your laptop and internet connection, you can learn this skill very well. Number 2, you can learn this skill at your own pace. So you don't need to be in hurry like I need to complete the course, I need to do this else the all materials will go lost and something like that. So you can learn very easily at your own pace whenever you feel comfortable. Number 3, you will have immediate impact on your life. So if you learn any of these skills, you will see changes coming to your life. If you put this forward your knowledge to someone else, then you will get to know how important are these skills after this lockdown gets over. Number 4, it doesn't take long time to learn these skills. All those 5 skills that I will cover right now, it doesn't take long time for you to learn these skills. It will either take few days or few months. After this you can learn these skills in a good way. So now let us begin with the skill number 1. Skill number 1 is digital marketing. Now as you see that this world is being digitalized each and every day. Everything that used to run on a old way now turning into a digital platform. So digital marketing has come up with a very important skill nowadays. People are learning these skills. Still, if you learn this skill in a good and appropriate manner, you will be still in high demand. As a report that was recently published, it was stated that every day, like every year, more than 30 to 40% businesses are converted into digital. So you can see the power of digital marketing. You can see the potential in digital marketing, how the worth it will be learning these skills. Number 2, project management skills. As you know that everything now is turning into a digital world, so we all are working from our home with our laptops. There is no physical places to work and all, so project management will come up with a very good option for you to learn, because under one project many people are working, so all are working remotely. So in order to manage those things, in order to cooperate with these things, there must be a person who can manage all these things. So product management will come up with a very good option for you if you want to learn. Number 3, content marketing. As you know, content is a key to any product or services. If you are seeing any product or services on the internet that are being sold or any ads and all the content that is written for that product all come under content marketing. If you don't have a good content marketing strategy, all digital marketing strategy goes worth. So in order to learn a good content marketing, you need to be very creative. So you can learn good content marketing and just boost your business with the content marketing. Number 4, closing skills. By the word of closing skills, I mean that as nowadays people are working remotely, so all the salesperson team that are working, they are working with the comfort of their home. So when they need to sell some product or services to the customer, they just sell over internet, over email and over phone call. So a person who have good closing skills like dealing with customers and getting a customer, that will be very good option for you to learn, because companies need revenue. If you don't get revenue, if you don't bring value to the company, then you are not worth for company to pay you. Number 5, coding skills. Coding skills has always been in demand and will always be in demand. The point is, if you are a good developer, you can develop anything. So if you are a good coder, you can code. If you have sound knowledge of programming languages like Android, Python, HTML, CSS, if you know all these things very well, you can be of great worth to a company. So coding skills is also one of the most important skill that is in demand world right now, and will be in future demand as well. So after all these things get over, people, the companies, those who make it through this, they will look for the people who are working remotely. Freelancing career job will come up. It will be very popular now, because companies don't want to have their physical presence, physical location, and people working over there. They want people to work from their comfort, work from their home. So this will evolve as a very great options for you. So as now I have discussed 5 skills that you can learn, and that will be a very great impact on your life. Number 1, digital marketing. Number 2, content marketing. Number 3, project management. Number 4, closing skills. And most important, number 5, coding skills. So you can learn any of these skills from this, and you can give a great value to the company or to your own company and to your own resume. आज के वीडियो में अब इतना ही. अब मुलाकात होगी अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे सेफ एंड कीप लर्निंग. धन्यवाद.